How to use trade options on Bybit. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use trade options available on bybit.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to bybit.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bybit is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade in crypto. You can buy and sell from thousands of coins available on Bybit. It has a protected and secure method and allows you to avail different features. So we will be focusing on the trade options available on Bybit today. So let's get into it. Once you get to the platform, you actually have to create an account. Creating an account is really easy. You can just sign up with your Google account or with your email address. Once you get your account, then you will get right here and you will get all of these different options. We have buy crypto, where we have one-click buy, P2P trading, fiat deposit, and crypto deposit. Markets, we have market overview, market data, launch, and leaderboard. And then we have trade. In trading, we have spot trading available, margin trading, leverage tokens, trading boards, launchpad, and buy votes. So today we will focus on spot trading and margin trading. Then there is derivatives, where you will be able to find the perpetuals, copy trading. I will also show you this one. Then we have earn, where we have like liquidity mining, savings, and NFT marketplace. Let's get to the trading options. So first of all, we have spot trading. Buy and sell on the spot. Let's get started. Before I continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand crypto trading and you know what you're doing, and then you can get started. This is a beginner's tutorial for the platform Bybit, and I'll show you the different tools and features we get so that you can know if Bybit is the right platform for you or not to use for your trading. That being said, let's continue. Once you get to the spot trading, it will open up the trading window for you. Now, let me show you the different tools we're getting and how you can actually avail the trading options. First of all, you can select your coin from here. You can also go to the marketplace first and check out all of the different coins and all of the perpetuals that are available and select the one you want. Or you can click on this swap option right here, like switch, and it allows you to switch different coins, and you can select your main, like for example USDT, BTC, and then you can select the coin. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, DLC, Spread, Solana. All of the coins are available. The marketplace is pretty huge and all of the coins and assets are available. So that's actually a really good thing about Bybit. So you can select the one you want to go for. I have selected Bitcoin and we will be going with USDT. So you can see Bitcoin, it's giving me some information about it, and this is the live price for Bitcoin. At the time of making this video, Bitcoin is $19,000. Which is pretty low right now. Then we have 24-hour change, which is minus 91%, 3%. It's updated every second. We have 24-hour high, 24-hour low. It even went to 18,000. Then we have 24-hour turnover. This is the main market window where we work when it comes to trading, and you can actually check a graph which shows you everything that what happened to your coin throughout the day, or you can select the time from here, like 1 minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 1 day. I prefer a 1 day view because it kind of like gives me an idea that what happened throughout the day to the coin. So you can see like it's really fluctuating right now. Market buy is given, market sell. This is standard trading chart that we are getting here. Then we have the order book that you will get. You will be able to see the price here, quantity, and total. Recent trades can be found here. Then we have the spot option, and this is where you actually buy and sell and you do spot trading. This right here. Select the one you want to go for, limit or market. I'm going to go with limit. Enter the order price. For example, I can go with, let's go with 20,000. Let's say I'm going to go with 20,000 USDT. And then we have to select the quantity of BTC you will want to go for. So I will be able to actually buy one with this. Order value is going to be 2000 USDT. Now I just have to click on buy BTC and I will be able to buy. We're getting BTC. These are our different leverage tokens. Leverage token trading is supported for BTC, so I can actually start with leverage token as well. Scroll down to check the assets and deposit and transfer funds to your wallet, to your account on Bybit. So it's really easy. If you want to buy, select buy and then click on buy BTC. If you want to sell, switch to sell option. Select your market. I'm going to go with limit. Order price 20,000 USDT. Quantity of BTC. I want to sell 1. And then I'm going to sell BTC for this, or I can actually add more value to my BTC if I want, and click on sell BTC. It will ask your permission and you will be able to do so. So it's actually really easy to use the trading option on Bybit, and I'm showing you around all of the different tools. We have margin data here and trading bots. So let me actually show you the trading bots too. Click on the trading bot and it will take you to the Bybit bots available. We can create trading bots now to automate our work and save our time. This is the smart trading options available now, and a lot of different platforms are trying to create the bots, but Bybit bots are actually one of the most advanced ones and most efficient bots out there. You can create a bot, and what happens is, for example, buy low and sell high automatically, invest on autopilot regardless of market conditions. So these are the kind of bots that you can create, and this one also has like zero fee. Spot grid bot, this is the one that I personally also use, which is buy low and sell high. So it really helps you save time, and you don't have to check your platform every now and then to check what's happening to the market and keep track of everything. You can automate your trading with trading bots available on Bybit. So the view is actually the same for the margin trading and for the spot trading. So if I take you to the margin trading now, you will be able to see the trading window is going to be similar. You can see again, you select your coin from here. The difference is just going to be, this is margin trading, and you will be able to get the margin data here. Then we can also find like our different trade history here. We have our past orders. Everything is given like at the bottom of your window. So this is margin and spot trading. These are the different tools that you will be getting on Bybit. You can also select your coin first before getting to the window. So we have spot trading, margin trading. I also showed you trading bots. Smart trade made easy. So bots are really actually easy to use, and you can create a bot for yourself. Then we have copy trading here. What is copy trading? Well, it's not the conventional trading we do. Copy trading means that we can copy the traders that are earning better. You will just copy whatever a trader is doing. There are different profiles available on Bybit. These options were actually not available on crypto platforms first, like directly, but now these are, and this is actually a new option available on Bybit, copy trading, where you can copy some of the best traders on Bybit, and it actually becomes really easy. But there is a risk involved. You just have to do whatever they are doing, whatever they are investing in, and then you earn. Of course, you can see if a trader is available. For example, this one right here, Isaac Newton. I don't trade for excitement. Okay, you can actually check their, how they're doing, and you can also check their followers. You can have up to like 500 followers with one profile. So this is available, and I can copy them, and you can see there are a lot of traders available. So this is a new way of trading with Bybit if you are a complete beginner. And this is how Bybit serves you when it comes to crypto trading. It's a very easy to use platform that allows you to trade crypto. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.